Welcome back to GearUp Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable autoplay videos in Firefox browser. For that, first click on Firefox desktop icon and launch your Firefox browser on your PC. Then click on this one three dots menu and here select settings. Then in the left, click on this one privacy and security option. On the right, scroll down to find permissions section. Here you will find autoplay. Click on settings beside this one autoplay option. Then here default for all websites. Click on this one drop down menu and select block audio and video. Then click on this one save changes button. Then close your Mozilla Firefox and again open it to apply the changes. And in case some websites ignore this, for example google.com is not following this setting and producing sound, then what you have to do is right click on this one tab and here select mute tab. You will see a muted option within the tab. That means from this tab no sound will come, and if you want to allow the sound, again right click on the same tab and select here unmute tab option. This way you can hear the sound. Thanks for watching this video.